Hello everyone. My name is Kirk Wheeler, and I want to welcome you to the MVP Game Changers private Telegram group. Okay, in this video, I'm going to help you fill out the application to get your contract done. So what you want to do is the first box you see at top where it says your email, please enter your email address. The next box you see where it says enter your sponsor's email address. If you don't have your sponsor's email, I would ask you to stop right now, contact your sponsor, and get their email address to put in that form. What this does is once you complete the form, your sponsor will then get an email with this form in it and all the information. So then when you both get together and get on the Zoom to fill out your application, the sponsor has all the information right there, and it won't be as hectic. It won't take as long to get done. Now, there are spots there that are required. In the beneficiary spots there, I've listed 4 spots that are required. So that means on this form, in order to complete it, you must list at least 4 beneficiaries on it to complete the form. The last 2 you don't have to complete. But I would caution you and urge you to actually complete all 6 spots for beneficiaries, because once that's done, you cannot go back and change the form until next year. But I made the form to where 4 of them is mandatory, because we have people that have said, well, I just don't have anybody else I can add on, or I don't know anybody else that I can put on the form. Well, that may be the case, but you're going to be required to have at least 4. So get that done, complete all the necessary steps on this form, and then once it's completed, go ahead and submit, and it will actually go to a copy. It will go to you, and a copy will go to your sponsor. And again, I want to welcome you to the MVP Game Changers private group. Have a great day.